how to use sketch to image feature on a Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. To use this feature, make sure your Samsung device running the latest One UI 6.1 Android 14. To check it, go to settings, software update, last update, and check if available update or not. Here you can see last update 1 September. So make sure update your Samsung device. You can also check using go to app drawer, settings. Here you can find the Galaxy AI feature on your device. Tap on it. Now advanced intelligence, scroll down. Here you can see drawing assist. Make sure this feature is available on your device to use this sketch to image feature on your device. Now let's see how it works. Open the app drawer, tap the gallery app, tap the photo you want to use sketch to image. Now tap on the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom middle. Now tap sketch to image option. Now draw anything you want to generate in the image. So here we draw. Now tap on generate. Now it will automatically generate related search on your image. Wait until complete the process. You can see 2 or 3 more images related your drawing. Now swipe the screen. You can see change the background. This is your original photo. Here you can see created by Galaxy AI. How it looks totally different. You can also edit drawing and edit the photo. So quite useful feature this sketch to image on your Samsung Galaxy AI. That's it. If you like it, share it.